Hello everyone, today we're going to do an unboxing video of the Samsung Wireless Charger Duo Pad of 2019. So this is the second generation Wireless Charger Duo by Samsung. I'm sure you all remember the first one from 2018, of course. So I have the black one, so let me unbox. A little bit tight. I have to do this with one hand, so here we go. Oh, it's a slide out. It's a slide out box, okay. Nope. So right here we have the Duo Pad. Let's see what else we have in the box before we get to that. We have adaptive fast charging. I'm gonna peel the plastic off of that. And we have a USB Type-C charging cable. And we have your paperwork. Always save your paperwork for every product you get. Just a heads up. And that appears to be it. Let's get to the charger. Sorry about that lag. Okay, let's peel the plastic off of here. Or why am I doing... And here's the Duo Pad. Any plastic on the bottom. Nope. And here's the charging cable. Okay, hold on, let me pause the video. Okay. Yeah, I peeled the plastic off, which is all right there. Okay, let me move my charger pad to a different location. So yeah, I have to shine light on my Duo Pad because it's very dim over here. So let me grab my Galaxy Note 8 and Gear Sport. Hold on. Okay, so let me put my Galaxy Note 8 over here. Let's see if it charges. Worked. My phone will be charged in 46 minutes. Let's try my Gear Sport. That worked. And this is the Samsung Wireless Charger Duo Pad. Well, have a good day or night, everyone. Goodbye.